But I think where we're very much concerned would be in Wisma, where we have now 72 cases that are active and 33 in Amila's ward and 19 in Mackenzie. But why we have to be very concerned here is because most of the population in Linden and in Region 10 as a whole, the vaccination uptake there has been quite low.
This was Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony during his COVID-19 briefing on Tuesday. Dr. Anthony noted that while there has been a decline in active cases in Region 4, the epicenter of the virus, Region 3 now has the highest number of active infections, totaling 1,100. He provided a breakdown of some of the hotspots in the region.
We have 59 cases right now that is active in Tushin. We have Parfaith Harmony, where we have about 52 active cases. Port Royne with 51 cases. We have Crane, 50 cases. Parika, there are about 49 cases. Cornida Ida, 42 cases. Around the Vreeden Hoop area, there are about 41 cases.
Several areas on East Bank and East Coast corridors have also been confirmed to have active cases below 20. Meanwhile, the minister in relation to the immunization of children ages 5 to 11 added that the vaccination drive will commence as soon as the requisite report is received from the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
We are waiting the final documentation from the U.S. CDC. We know that they had these discussions both at the FDA level and then the CDC level. And so we are waiting on they normally would issue some reports. We want to see those reports before we started that process. Nevertheless, in anticipation that this is going to happen, we have already started doing the training here locally.
The United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has indicated that children 5 through 11 years old can be vaccinated using the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 jab. The centers have advised that this target group should be given 1/3 dose given to adolescents and adults and should receive the vaccine with a smaller needle. During the initial dissemination of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, the jab was being offered primarily to pregnant and breastfeeding women. Earlier this month, the Ministry of Health updated its policy to extend the jab to all eligible adults. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGB Nightly News.